for 3. So that first man was Zach McCormick, followed by Tucker Hardy and Glenn Hardy.
Sponsored by Davis Feed and Farm Supply.
Ooh. Davis Feed Farm Supply. Is that where you get the kids' food?
No.
Oh. 3, 2, 1, go! The best day of the night.
Nice. Ooh. No driver doors hits. They're all hitting right in the back. We're doing the sandwich. Who's number 171?
There you go. That. Looks like Glenn might be in a back. There we go. Zach's taking another round at him. Can he get Tucker out before there's another hit. Oh, I don't think so. Tucker doesn't need to be moving real hot.
Can you drive on 3 wheels?
He's driving on 3 wheels. I don't know if he can, but he is.
I see that.
Oh, there's a little hit for Tucker. Now Zach's going to show him how to go the other way. Or not. It's possible Tucker is now in Zach and not be able to move. Oh, he's down to reverse. Zach is out. Glenn's not moving. And Tucker is not moving. Zach's going to move him out of the way. Zach says, let me move you out of my way. I'm going to try this again.
Is line up?
Zach's going to have another go. Oh, nice. Put him in the corner there. That's a good spot for him. And it looks like Zach might be the last to squat. That's like I'm going to do that well. And I think that's the end of